A parallel plate capacitor of capacity C0 is charged by a battery. After charging, battery is disconnected and separation between the plates is reduced and a dielectric is filled between the plates. Column 1 represents a quantity and column 2 represents the effect of various quantities during the process of reducing the separation and inserting the dielectric. Match the following. So here they followed the process. Suppose we have a parallel plate capacitor which has capacity C0. So let's make like this. So suppose initially the separation between them was D and there was air between them. So we can assume that C0 was epsilon naught A by D if the cross section area is A. Now what they have done, now they after charging, so this is being charged with a battery. Let's say they charge with battery V, so Q initial will be is equal to C0 into V. Perfect. Now what they have done, they disconnected the battery. So disconnected the battery, that means Q will remain same. Q will remain same. Why? Because this is fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity. So this will remain same. That means Q final will be equal to again C0 into V. But now they are doing what they are doing. They are actually reducing the separation between the plates. So they now reduce the separation between the plates. So let's say separation became D dash. So we can write that C dash will be epsilon naught A by D dash, and because from this I can say that C dash upon C will be is equal to epsilon naught A by D dash upon epsilon naught A by D. This will be cancelled out, D upon D dash. So we can say that now D is greater than capital D dash, that means D upon D dash is greater than 1. So similarly I can say C dash upon C will be greater than 1, that means capacitance increased, right? So now capacitance increased in this case. And now what they have done, from there they have introduced a dielectric slab. Okay, dielectric constant K slab is there. So obviously Ck will be becoming epsilon naught A by, so K epsilon naught A by D dash. So K into C dash. Okay, so of course we know that C dash is greater than C. That means Ck will be greater than C naught. Okay, this was C naught. Perfect. So about capacitance I can say, first of all capacitance increases to C dash and then it increases to Kc dash, right? So which option will be matching with that? So A will match with S, correct? Talking about charges on the plate, I already said that charges on the plate are going to be same fundamental quantity. So Q final will also be C0 into V, that means as was the initial one, right? So basically charges are going to be same, so we can say B will match with P only, correct? Coming back to electric field. So what about electric field? We know that electric field initially was, so E0 was sigma upon epsilon naught, and when a dielectric slab was introduced, so this became Ek upon K epsilon naught. It is not dependent on the separation between the plates, right? So of course this is E0 upon K. So electric field decreases. So which option is correct? So I can match C with Q, remains same initial condition. So this is, I am talking about, first of all electric field was E0, then after reducing the distance it was E0, and after it became E0 by K. Perfect. So remain same and then decreases. Now moving ahead for the potential energy. So if I am talking about the potential energy formula is half CV square, or the same formula we can apply either half Q square by C. So half CV square, and the another format is Q square by C. Why I am using this? Because charge is same. So that means I can write here u is proportional to 1 upon c. Now I am taking a case when distance was changing from d to d dash, and of course d dash is less than d, and we figured it out that c dash is greater than c. So clearly, if that is the case, then I would say that u middle case, this is the u middle. Middle means when d is changing to d dash, so u middle divided by u initial will be equal to c initial c naught divided by, and which is less than 1. That means u m will be less than ui. That means potential energy decreases. So first potential energy decreases. Now what can I say? So I will be seeing that again this c dash is becoming kc dash when we are actually introducing a dielectric slab. So again u final will be less than u medium also, and which is of course less than u initial. So first of all potential energy decreases and then it further decreases. So which option is correct? This will match with R, right? So which option is correct? R option is correct. So fourth, option number 4 is the correct matching which should be used.